Part 1. Sahaj, Sugam, ITR-3. What is applicable to me? Why are they so confusing? Are you facing the same confusion? Worry not, we are here to your rescue. By the end of this video, you'll understand ITR-3 like never before. Hello and welcome, I'm Ekta from Clear. We've assisted more than 80,000 tax experts and 6 million tax filers. Do subscribe to our channel to get a clear explanation of ITR and finance concepts, where we go from clueless to clear. Before we begin, let us understand if ITR-3 is applicable to you. If you file the return as an individual or HUF and you have income from business or profession, in addition to all other incomes from house property, salary, capital gains and income from any other sources, then ITR-3 is the return for you. Therefore, if you generate an income through a proprietary business or profession pertaining to accountancy, medical, architecture, engineering, or say any income from intra-day trading or trading in futures and options, then you can file ITR-3. When can you not use ITR-3? You cannot use ITR-3 if you are a partner in a partnership firm in the capacity of an individual or an HUF. You must use ITR-2 instead. Also, if you opt for presumptive taxation, then you must file ITR-4. By the way, did you check out our video on presumptive taxation yet? If not, the link is in the description box below. And if you understood whether to use ITR-3 or not, write clear in the comment section below. If you are required to get a tax audit done, then the due date shall fall on 31st October of 2022. Otherwise, the due date shall be 31st July of 2022. Filing ITR on or before the due date and with accurate details is of utmost importance. While the government has been making constant efforts to simplify the return filing process, it could get a little overwhelming. But we've got your back. Filing ITR on ClearTax is simple and easy. Let's quickly look at how you can file ITR-3 on ClearTax. Before we get started, you should have the following documents at hand to pace up the process: PAN card, your Aadhaar card, your bank account details, Form 16 if applicable, your books of accounts, and your investment details. Log into your ClearTax account and you can file the ITR-3 in 3 simple steps. To begin your ITR filing, click on the Start Filing button. Now in this step, you will have to link your PAN to an OTP verification. To do that, enter your PAN card number and date of birth and choose a method for OTP verification, which could either be Aadhaar registered mobile number or IT department registered mobile number. On the next screen awaits something exciting for you. Did you know ClearTax pre-fills the salary and personal information details for you? No? Why don't you proceed and try it for yourself? All you have to do is complete another OTP verification and woohoo! It's all here in 5 seconds. Here's a preview of your pre-filled information. Now please check the details and ensure they are correct. If you want to add or edit any information, you can make the changes and proceed. Now go to the Income Sources tab. Here, your salary details are also pre-filled. Just review the details whether they are correct and edit if required. And say if you did not select the pre-fill option earlier, you could upload your form to 16 or 26 AS PDF to fetch the salary details. Now next, you can enter the details of your rental income or income from house property, other income and capital gains. ClearTax has partnered with various brokerage firms to capture the capital gains from shares and mutual fund related transactions automatically. We support importing capital gain data directly from platforms like Fairpaisa and Paytm Money. In the capital gain section, click on the relevant platform, Fairpaisa or Paytm Money. You will now be redirected to a new tab where you can log into your broker's account. And after successful login, all your capital gain details will be fetched automatically. Now what if you are registered with other brokers like say ClearTax, Scams, Grow, ICICI Direct, Zerodha, KFintech and Carway? Then click on the button, click here if you sold any assets and upload the capital gains report. Now how do we do that? Click on Upload File and on the right you can see the guides on how to download the report on all these platforms. Upload it and all your capital gains from shares and mutual funds will be captured automatically.
I know at this stage you really want to thank us. You are welcome. Now enter the business income tab. Here you will need to click add BSPL income and fill in the balance sheet, P&L, depreciation, ICDS and other details if they apply to you. Now go back to the dashboard and enter the details of speculative incomes, say from intraday trading, in the add speculative income section. Once done, scroll down to fill in the income computation in Schedule BP and also fill up Schedule OI. Next, add your auditor details if tax audit is applicable to you and then click on Go to Next and proceed. Now under the Deductions tab, review all the investment details like LIC, PPF, etc. which are all captured. If you want to add more tax saving details, you can always edit the fields and claim the tax benefits here. Say interest earned on your savings accounts of up to Rs 10,000 can be claimed under Section 80 TTA. So watch out for the tax saving tips which are prompted to you on the screen and optimize your tax savings. Now when you scroll down, you can see other disclosures section. And there are various conditions which are listed out. If any one of them apply to you, fill in those relevant sections. Say your total income after deduction exceeds Rs 50 lakhs, then you will have to fill in Schedule AL. In this schedule, fill in the details of all your assets and liabilities if they were not included by you in the balance sheet earlier. And if you are a non-resident or a resident but not ordinarily resident, then only details of those assets which are located in India are to be maintained. Likewise, in current account deposit section, you will have to add the total amount deposited in case you have deposited more than Rs 1 crore in financial year 21-22. We have now reached the final stage. Here you can see a tax summary. You will have to choose the same regime that you chose last year, either old or new. If you wish to opt for the new regime for the very first time, then please note that you will not be allowed to change it in the next year. Review all the details in the tax summary report and proceed to e-filing. Once these parts are filled, you would also provide a self-declaration. Please note that making a false statement in the return or in any of the schedules shall lead to prosecution. Therefore, it is extremely important to furnish accurate details in ITR. You will need to declare that all the information in the return, including the amounts, is true to your knowledge. You can now make the payment by clicking on Proceed to e-file. And while we talk about payments, who doesn't like some discount coupons, right? Here you go. You can click on View Coupons and apply one of the relevant coupons listed here, and there's your discount. On completion of payment, you will see a success message like this. Finally, the ITR is successfully submitted to the Income Tax Department. You can see the success message like this, which will have your e-filing acknowledgement number. Once your return is filed, e-verifying your income tax return is a must. Verification of return is important to complete the return filing process because uploading ITR alone does not complete the process. Now, how do we do that? Verification of your return can be done in two ways. Either instant e-verification, which happens only online, or verification at a later date, which is to be completed within 120 days of your return filing, and this can be done either online or offline by sending an ITR-V to CPC Bangalore via post. If you choose to do it online, then it can be done through either DSC, that is Digital Signature Certificate, or through authentication of the process using an electronic verification code or a pre-validated bank account or DMAT account, or through an OTP which is sent to your Aadhaar registered mobile number. Verification through an OTP sent on Aadhaar registered mobile number is widely used. And note that if you are required to get a tax audit done, then the process is a little different. You will have to file the audit report electronically before filing the ITR, and it is mandatory for you to e-verify the ITR through a digital signature.
So this was the detailed procedure regarding how to file ITR-3 on ClearTax. ITR-3 filing offline is only possible for people who are aged 80 years or more and those individuals whose income is less than 5 lakhs and they do not have any tax refund requests. With the due date for tax filing fast approaching, use ClearTax platform to self-file your ITR. We also have expert-assisted plans where you can avail expert assistance for return filing, which also provides for post-return filing support. Furthermore, we are also available to assist you live online for 100% accurate and transparent filing. I hope this video was helpful for you. For queries related to business and taxation, you can contact our experts by clicking on the link provided in the chat description box below. Also, Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such informative videos and stay tuned. Bye-bye.